everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another haul, and today we are actually gonna try on all of the new Meshki and Amber Scholl collaboration. Oh my gosh, this stuff looks so cute. I saw Amber doing her little photo shoot and her little videos on her Instagram page, and I was like, dang girl, you look good. She looks great in all these clothes, and they're so her. I've been watching her videos for like ever. When I first moved out to LA, I did one of her DIYs for my countertop to make it all marble and whatnot. So I've been watching her forever. I actually never met her until the Beyonce concert not too long ago, a couple months ago. And she's an amazing person. I just want to like hang out with her, be her friend. She's great. And she is the sweetest person ever. And after I saw this collaboration, I was like, I need to make a video. So I got all the items up in this box right here. Oh, it's wrapped in Meshki paper wrap. Like, look at these gold chains with pearls hanging out of them. Oh, I'm so excited to try this stuff on. By the way, congratulations, Amber, on this collaboration. You're the bomb, okay? Oh my gosh, what to try on first? First thing I'm gonna pick up and try on is this blue crop top that comes with these matching dress kind of pants. I got both of these in size small. Everything I got in a size small. So let me go try these on real quick. I'm excited. Bam! Okay, so I went ahead and put these on, and I just threw on these little nude heels because these outfits deserve some heels. Yeah, can't just be walking around barefoot. So this right here is the first outfit. It's so cute! Oh my gosh. Like, the material is great. It's like dress pants material, but it feels great. And then the top, you can untie it and tie it tighter if you need it to be. Like, yeah, I definitely wear this. Dang, this is the first thing I tried on, and I don't even want to take it off. It's just so cute. Okay, up next. Oh, this is calling my name. Okay, so next I'm gonna try on this little crop top. It's this pink checkered material, and it has gold buttons and gold zipper in the back. And then it comes with matching shorts with the gold buttons as well. And it even comes with a matching blazer jacket. Okay, I'm putting this on right now. Gotta go, hold up, I'll be back. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this outfit is the cutest thing. Got the little shorts with the little crop top and the jacket. Oh, I feel so business, but so cute at the same time. Like this, I'm telling y'all, all these materials are so thick and high quality. It's not like Fashion Nova quality, y'all. I'm just gonna let y'all know that right now. It's way better. This jacket, the cut and fit of it is so nice. It's so feminine and like fits the body well, because sometimes blazer jackets just look bad. Even if they're made for a girl, they're just made boxy. And this one gives you shape. Like, look, even just staying like this, it goes in and then out. It's got shape to it, and then the back doesn't go straight down. It goes, it gives you a boom. And then this is it without the jacket, and it's still, of course, obviously, so cute. Oh! Bing. Amber, girl, you're gonna make me fall in love with every one of these outfits? I think yes. Next up, I'm actually gonna put on these adorable shorts. Like, look at them. They're like a knitted kind of fabric with these shimmers in it. I don't know, it reminds me of Christmas, but like glam Christmas. You see how it's shiny? Oh, I like these a lot. This material is nice. You would think it would feel itchy, but it's soft. And then there's this matching off the shoulder crop top with it, and it has the same little material lining in black right here, plus the gold buttons. So let's go try this on. Wow, I think I'm not gonna say exactly, I'm not gonna say 100 yet, but I think I found my favorite outfit of this collection. The only thing is, I think I needed a medium in this shirt because my shoulders is quite broad since I did gymnastics. I can't move my arms up further than this. But if you have normal shoulders, then you'll be fine. I'm telling y'all, these shorts are the softest things I've ever felt. Oh. Dang, I need somewhere to go so I can wear these shorts like ASAP. These shorts are my favorite. This top would be my favorite if it fit correctly. Blame that on my manly arm self though. I literally don't want to take these shorts off. I wish I would have tried this on last so I could keep it on. Okay, next outfit is this really cute crop top. Like this outfit right here just reminds me of old school, like back in the day because of this skirt. Look at this. Like, look at this skirt. This skirt with that top are gonna be adorable. I can't. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest outfit I've ever put on in a very long time. It's so cute. Y'all, I want to do like a whole like photo shoot with something like this. This is adorable, but like doesn't look like kitty. I like this. The skirt actually has a second layer underneath it. It already has like a slip, which is good because that's always great for skirts so you can't see through them. Can't get a little sneak peek. Ooh, I want to just put on some little skates and like skate around. I shouldn't say that because I got skates in the back because they're pink and glittery too. Hope y'all didn't think I was kidding. Rolling up in my Meshki leg. Yeah, y'all thought I was kidding, did y'all? Nope. If these were white skates, I'm gonna hold on to this wall so I don't fall. But if these were white skates, oh my goodness, it would be super adorable. But yeah, let me take these off before I fall and embarrass myself on camera. Okay, what's next? So they have this really cute strapless dress and it's made out of that same material as my favorite shorts, but it's in white. And then there's a belt for it that looks just like that's the same material of those shorts. Anyway, you know where the belt goes. I'm gonna put it on. Oh my goodness. Amber and Meshki! Y'all need to stop this. I've liked too many of these. This dress, oh, it's so cute. What the heck? This material, whatever it is amazing. I like it like that. Y'all, I'm wearing Meshki every day of this week. Going to the grocery store, wearing this dress right here. Because why not? All of their sleeveless stuff has this has that plasticky lining so it doesn't fall down and it's literally stayed up. Like, it stayed up. I don't know what that was, but it stayed up. And then the last outfit that I have to try on from this collection is this beautiful thing right here. It's a pink dress, the same material as the suit, but it has this pretty gold and pearled straps, and the straps go like this rather than like front to back because it's backless. Oh man. Oh my goodness, I just put this on. This little strap situation right here is so cute. And then the fact that the back is all backless, oh, woo, this is a hot, hot dress, I tell you. It's comfortable, like, even this chain, it's like not tight. Like I can go like this and it doesn't fall off, but it's a little loose. And then I can go like this and it doesn't break. That's a good choice. I don't have everything from the collection because a lot of it's sold out, of course, because it's amazing. But when I get the chance and if it gets restocked, oh, your girl is shopping. I'll go ahead and link in the description box below her collection so you can actually see the prices and all of that. I don't know how I can still hear the sirens when I'm 20 plus floors up high. But yeah, that's all I got from the collection. And I also wanted to include this shirt right here. It says empowered and it says hashtag Meshki1,000,000. And I just want to read about it really quick. So Meshki recently hit 1 million followers on Instagram and they wanted to do something more than just a big celebration. This company was actually started by 2 girls, so they're like all about girl power. And I'm all about girl power, so I was like, I need to add this into my video. So girls' education and breast cancer awareness are very, very close to their hearts. So they actually designed 2 different shirts. This is one of them with a positive message of empowerment. The other one says hope. And 100% of these proceeds go to 2 different charities. The first one is One Girl, and then the other one is National Breast Cancer Foundation. And this is the other shirt right now. And the other shirt is hot pink like that and says hope. And I think it's very, very sweet of them to be doing that, so I needed to add that into this video. And it's actually a really cute crop top. Like, it's actually a shirt you wear rather than like a big t-shirt that you probably wear to sleep. It's a crop top you can just wear. But yeah, I just wanted to add that in there because I really, 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 really appreciated that they're doing that. But yeah, that's the end of my haul. Amber, girl, you did that. Like, you did that. Catch me wearing your collection every day now, just by the way. Like, I'm gonna. But yeah, if y'all haven't gotten your hands on any of this, you might want to. You might want to. Okay, really quick before I end the video, I just wanna, I wanna ask you guys, which outfit was your favorite? From number 1 to whatever this one was. Which one was your favorite? Because I liked every single one of them. Like, I did not dislike one of them. And very hard to pick my favorite, but I have to say the black shorts and the off-the-shoulder white shirt was. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check out this collection. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.